Good evening. Me and my girlfriend like watching horror movies. Anyway, most relaxing, what do you call it? Most relaxing. Ouija board and bunny hee pajamas and a neo synth, how to say, harps, um, how to say, modulator and guitar effects. What do you call it? Um, for the tone deaf impaired, they actually have things like this. This is a relaxation video to remember the past. I remember even a sense of Ouija board to give you a sense of wonder. Just like the band Iron Maiden, which I drew in calligraphy. So enjoy the scenery. Like, it's worse than it was a police action in El Salvador. Enjoy the scenery. Be sure I have it. Okay. And time. Okay. Finally, I have Yahweh News, by the way. So I'm detective if you want. Yahweh News is like something that, like, say, when a girl finds you interesting, and all of a sudden, like dissociated personality disorder, she forgets that you're there and pay attention. Yahweh News can prevent a woman like that. It's a pause button on it. And they feel sorry for you and you say, get away. Well, you only want me when I have a boo boo. So, and you're queen macho. These women have messed up my life big time. And as much as I give them advice, no matter how much I try, it's never enough. I tap a negative. How much I give, it's not enough. When your world is shattered and nothing else matters, it ain't over. It's only love, not so. When your heart's been broken and harsh words are spoken, it ain't easy. It's only love. When you look Looking back in desperation, gotta wanna win. Looking back in frustration, over and over and over again. Looking back in, let's say, segregation. Gotta wanna win, gotta wanna win. We're looking back and hoping, let's say, over and over and over again. It's only looking back in desperation. Gotta wanna win, gotta wanna win. When you're looking back in all the situation, over and over and over again. It ain't easy. It's only love, and that's all. You don't know a regulator over. I might side with the dark side if I feel the light side is out of bounds. I might, your flight attendant, if